Word motivated. The pronunciation is very easy. 4 syllables, and the emphasis on first syllable. Mo. T. Vat. Ed. Motivated. The meaning of the word motivated is being inspired to take action or pursue a goal. It implies having a strong reason or desire to do something. For example, she was motivated to study hard because she wanted to get a good job. He was motivated to exercise regularly because he wanted to improve his health. Hey, type your own sentence using the word in comment box.